Next, we are taking nomenclature of organic compounds. Organic chemistry deals with millions of compounds. In order to clearly identify them, a systematic method of naming has been developed, and it is known as IUPAC naming of system of nomenclature. IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, which decides the rule for naming of the organic compounds. In this systematic nomenclature, the names are correlated with their structure such that the student can deduce the structure from the name. First, we are taking common or trivial names of some of the organic compounds which are quite popular. First one is CH4 called methane. Second one is butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. It is present in LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, which we used as cooking. So it is N-butane because it is straight chain hydrocarbon. This is called isobutane because it is branched. This CH is linked with CH3, one CH3 this side, one CH3 this side. So because it is branched, so we call it isobutane. Total carbon atoms are 4. This is called neopentane because one carbon is linked to 4 methyl groups. Therefore, it is called neopentane. This compound is CH3, CH2, CH2OH, that is normal propyl alcohol, because there are 3 carbon atoms, they are in straight chain, so we call it normal propyl alcohol. HCHO is called formaldehyde, it contains only 1 carbon. This is ketone containing 3 carbon atoms, so it's the simplest ketone, which is called acetone. CHCl3 is called chloroform, and if you remember, it is used as anesthetic, that is, its vapors will make you unconscious. So it was used as anesthetic earlier during operations. Acetic acid is CH3COOH. C6H6 is called benzene. C6H5OCH3 is a ether and its common name is anisole. C6H5NH2 is amine and common name is aniline. C6H5COCH3 is ketone, aromatic ketone, it is called acetophenone. This is also ether. CH3O, CH2, CH3. This side we have ethyl group, this side we have methyl group. First we write ethyl alphabetically. It is called ethyl methyl ether. IUPAC system of nomenclature. Here first identify what are the various factors, what are the various points to be remembered while taking naming of organic compounds. First we have to find out the parent chain. This chain is called parent chain. And after we find out the longest continuous parent chain, we have to find out what are the branches. This is one of the branches, that is methyl group is attached. This is the functional group which is present, it is Br, and this is another functional group which is OH. Now here we will decide that which group is preferred. Answer is OH group is preferred over Br, and then CH3 is a substituent. So this compound, we will start counting from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll be starting the rule. This compound will be named as 3-bromo, 5-methyl, and total carbon atom are 6, and OH group is at second carbon, 2-hexenol. 3-bromo because at third position bromo group is attached, 5-methyl because fifth carbon is attached with methyl group, 2-hexenol because OH group is at second carbon and total carbon atoms are 6. So we have 3-bromo, 5-methyl, 2-hexenol, we can also call it hexane 2-ol. Now we are taking the parent chain, how we decide. If there is 1 carbon atom, methane, it is called. 2 carbon atom, ethane. These formula are derived from CnH2n plus 2. For example, if you put 1, you will get CH4. If you put 2, you will get C2H6. If you put 3, you will get C3H8. By putting 4, C4H10, 5, C5H12, 6, C6H14, 7, C7H16, 8, C8H18, C9H20, C10H22, C20H42, C30H62. So everywhere we are using the formula CnH2n plus 2 because this is the general formula of alkanes. For 1 carbon we write methane, 2 carbon ethane, 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon butane, 5 pentane, 6 hexane, 7 heptane, 8 octane, 9 nonane, 10 decane. For 20 we call it icosane and for 30 we call it tricontane. Branch chain hydrocarbons. In branch chain compounds, small chains of carbon atom are attached to one or more carbon atoms of the parent chain. The small carbon chains or branches are called alkyl groups. For example, this is branch chain alkanes. Here methyl group is attached to this carbon. So this compound is 2-methyl butane. Why we call it 2-methyl butane? Because second carbon methyl group is attached, total carbon atom are 4, so we call it 2-methyl butane. This compound, there are two branch chain attached. Here we have ethyl group attached, here we have methyl group attached. So rule is that we have to start counting from that direction where the alkyl groups are preferred alphabetically. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Now we have 2-ethyl, we have 4-methyl, 2-ethyl, 4-methyl, pentane is the correct IUPAC name. So the groups are preferred alphabetically and written alphabetically. Parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms, so we call it pentane. So it is 2-ethyl, 3-methyl, pentane. Some alkyl groups, how do we derive their names? CH4 is methane, so if we remove one hydrogen, we get methyl group. C2H6 is ethane, if we remove one hydrogen, we got ethyl group. C3H8 propane, if you remove this hydrogen, we get propyl group, which is also called normal propyl group. C4H10 butane, if you remove terminal hydrogen, we get normal butyl group. And C10H22 decane, if you remove terminal hydrogen, we will get decyl group, or normal decyl group is more accurate.